Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about the next future gem. This is Diggy Coin. That is next and not only random coin, this is the movement with huge momentum potential. This can be a next skyrocket. We should not miss out, and their real investors are going to participate into it as their $1 million market cap in just 2 weeks have been completed. And this can be also for long term, and there you can even check out the chart details too on the DEX screener. And Dege is built around the strong demand and diamond hand holders. Everyone who want to know more details about that, you can come on the GMGN, where you can even check out the basic details like what is the market cap near about to $1 million. It is going to very soon, like 7,87,000 already. Market cap has been increased, and there you can even check out people are really interested into it. There you can also check how much people are going to buy. There you can also check the price is really going to increase. Their order is safe, and top 20 like top 10, this can be said coin, and chart can be analyzed here. This can be something interesting you are going to join, and there you can also come to the official site where you want to buy. Then you can also click on the Geopeter. This is the Geopeter where you are going to join, and there you can also connect your wallet. First of all, there is also Phantom Wallet. If you have Jupiter, you can also connect. After the confirmation, you can also put here your number of USDC. According to that, your number of token will be given. This is very simple, interesting thing. About Dege coins, you can even check out the market dashboard. How much is market cap with the recent price that has been increased within last 24 hours, and people who want a really interesting and something that can be a next skyrocket and life-changing opportunity, you can also join. It's a pumping, and there you can also check. Don't be cry about the missing you later. You can join the link in my video description. I am going to provide you. If you want to know when it has been created, then in June 28th. This project already proved a huge momentum already. Dagi coin listed on major platform. CoinGecko, you can also start your live tracking if you want to know on the coin market cap, on DEX screener, on the GMNAI. I have already given you about that, how there you can find some information that could be helpful for you to interesting. You can also follow them on their Twitter too for upcoming details, and there is smart contract by which you can import this token into your wallet, and this is for long term. This has been launched directly on the Moonshot, one of the fastest growing on the Solana token, because it has lightning fast transactions and a secure ecosystem. And there is also cosmic missions. Start the adventure. You can also click on it. There is also like a game you are going to join, and there you can even start with the game that you are going to join. You have to click on it, and there you can also play the game. So we have to again replay. There you can also check out how it looks, and there you can also get ready. You have to also save yourself, and then you can also get the reward too. So there you can also check out that I am also going to play this game, how this work. You can even get the rewards, and there is our score too. So join this game that can be helpful for you and something interesting to you. So there I am also going to playing this game, so our rank should be increased. And there you can also check out that we have to save our character too. So this can be helpful, and there I have already given the best review how this gameplay is working. There you can also get the coins, and Next, you can also, if we want to close, there you can also check out there is also now 330 score final and reach on the level 2. And next, you can also check there is Diggy Coin Tokenomics. How much is total number of token? It is a pure community powered meme coin that has strong branding with the community, no team tax, zero for dev. There is no rug pull, just a fear launch, fearness, and everything is just like a crystal. So fear charts and we have to use because this has been launched on the 28th June. And you can also check that there is also a big guest achievement within over 2 weeks, real organic growth, and market already above 1 million, and proving the investor trust and holders are real, building on the Solana blockchain with low, and there are the missions what their team is going to start. So be ready with this movement and originated from the moonshot close to main page, because their moonshot is also going to giving you a choice. So think of it, and there is also a mission vision that you are going to join if you want to know more. So guys, this meme potential combined with solid Solana based, you can also join, and there you can even check out Dege is currently available at the bargain price of 0.000806. That has been increased already, but now their price is also going to increase very soon, and price discovery phase could accelerate rapidly. It's an opportunity for the investor who are looking for something exciting, so you can also join it. And before the next serious meme coin breakout, in short, people who are going to follow are the real holders. Solid launch timing at the point. This could be one of the last moment to get entry into Dagi into to the moonshot phase. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.